Alright, I got this 21 Kona where this tail light is out. This is also the brake light. Unscrew it, Phillips. I think it also could be a 10mm socket. So I'm going to mount this camera to show you, because it's kind of wedged in there, how I get them out. Kind of looking down from the top here. And that is how I get them out. Let's check this bulb. So it wasn't working, like it came on dull with the brake light, and then it wasn't working with just the tail light. I'm going to turn the tail lights on. Okay, that's working. Now I'm going to try the brake. So it looks like it was just an adjustment. Of course, this bulb is a 194, a little marker one, and this one is hard to see. Even say? It doesn't look like it says. It's probably like a 2354 or something maybe. When you slide it in, it has a little notch here, and it has this. It's going to slide into that. And what's really holding it up is this pin that goes in a hole here. So it makes it so difficult. So I'm going to test that again. Alright, so that's working. Doesn't need a bulb, just needed a little adjustment. I'm guessing. I just took it out and put it in, it worked fine. That should make the customer happy, they don't have to buy anything. So if this was helpful, leave a thumbs up and a like, and be sure to subscribe and follow.